Hello guys, I've been today. So today, I did that last time. So today we're going to play with the cat. Let's go! Scooby-Doo! There he is. Oh my god, you can see him. Oh my... No! Stop it! Charlie! So let's lead him. Mouse. There he comes. You want to see some crazy? Alright then. Look at this. It's going to be crazy. Did you see him run? Or what?